Welcome to Lux Life. I'm Sophia, and today I'm thrilled to invite you on an enchanting journey into the epitome of luxury and extravagance, the Emirates Palace. Situated along the pristine shores of Abu Dhabi's Corniche, this $3 billion masterpiece stands as a beacon of opulence and grandeur in the heart of the United Arab Emirates. Join me as we uncover the secrets of this 7-star luxury hotel, where Arabian splendor meets modern sophistication, promising an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking the ultimate indulgence. Nestled amidst the picturesque landscape of Abu Dhabi's Corniche, the Emirates Palace stands as a majestic testament to luxury and refinement. With its striking fusion of Arabian opulence and contemporary elegance, this iconic landmark has captivated discerning travelers from across the globe, beckoning them into a world of unparalleled extravagance. As you approach the Emirates Palace, the sight of its magnificent domes and towering arches commands attention, offering a mere glimpse of the splendor that awaits within. Surrounded by lush, landscaped gardens and tranquil fountains, the hotel exudes an aura of serenity amidst the bustling cityscape. Stepping through its ornate gates, guests are welcomed into a realm where every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection, from the intricate mosaic patterns adorning the walls to the sumptuous furnishings that adorn every corner. From the moment you set foot inside the Emirates Palace, you're transported into a realm of unparalleled luxury and indulgence. Every facet of the hotel exudes regal elegance, from the majestic domes and intricate archways to the lavish interiors adorned with gold leaf and marble. It's a palace fit for royalty, where every desire is anticipated and catered to with the utmost care. As you wander through its opulent halls, you'll be enveloped in a symphony of sights and sounds, from the gentle trickle of water in the ornate fountains to the soft glow of crystal chandeliers overhead. Each step unveils a new treasure, whether it's the breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf from the expansive windows or the exquisite artwork that graces the walls. Every moment spent at the Emirates Palace is an ode to the artistry and craftsmanship that define the pinnacle of luxury hospitality. Prepare to be swept away on a journey of indulgence and refinement unlike any other. If it's luxury you seek, look no further than the Emirates Palace's extraordinary array of suites, each more opulent than the last. From the lavish palace suite to the awe-inspiring royal suite, every accommodation offers a sanctuary of serenity and sophistication, boasting panoramic views of the Arabian Gulf and the hotel's verdant gardens. Indulge in the finest amenities and personalized service as you immerse yourself in the lap of luxury. As you step into your suite, you'll be greeted by an ambience of awe-inspiring grandeur with spacious living areas, elegant furnishings, and luxurious amenities that surpass even the loftiest expectations. Whether you're lounging on your private terrace overlooking the azure waters, indulging in a rejuvenating soak in your marble-clad bathroom, or sinking into the plush comfort of your king-sized bed, every moment is designed to elevate your experience to new heights of extravagance. And with dedicated butler service attending to your every need, the Emirates Palace ensures that your stay is nothing short of extraordinary. Prepare to lose yourself in a world where luxury knows no bounds and indulgence knows no limits. Step into the grandeur of the Emirates Palace's lobby and prepare to be mesmerized by its sheer magnificence. Towering columns, intricate chandeliers, and cascading water features create an ambience of awe-inspiring opulence, setting the stage for an unforgettable stay. Whether you're checking in or simply savoring the splendor, the lobby beckons guests to linger and indulge in every moment. For culinary enthusiasts, the Emirates Palace is a veritable paradise. With a diverse selection of restaurants and dining options to choose from, every palate is sure to be satisfied. Delight in the finest international cuisine at Le Vendôme Brasserie, savor authentic Emirati flavors at Mezlai, or embark on a culinary journey around the world at Sayad. Each dish is expertly crafted using the freshest ingredients, promising a dining experience that delights the senses and leaves a lasting impression. Beyond its luxurious accommodations and world-class dining, the Emirates Palace boasts an array of amenities designed to pamper and delight guests at every turn. Relax and rejuvenate at the award-winning Emirates Palace Spa, where indulgent treatments and serene surroundings provide the ultimate escape from the stresses of everyday life. For those seeking adventure, the hotel offers an array of recreational activities, from water sports and beachside relaxation to cultural excursions and desert safaris. Emirates Palace also caters to discerning travelers with its state-of-the-art fitness center, equipped with the latest cardio and strength training equipment, as well as personalized training sessions with experienced instructors. After a day of exploration and relaxation, unwind with a refreshing dip in one of the hotel's sparkling pools, or savor a signature cocktail at one of the chic poolside lounges. With its unparalleled amenities and commitment to excellence, Emirates Palace ensures that every guest experience is nothing short of extraordinary. Surrounded by lush gardens and pristine beaches, the Emirates Palace is not just a hotel, it's a destination unto itself. Take a stroll through the hotel's expansive grounds and discover iconic landmarks such as the majestic Grand Mosque and the stunning Marina Bay. With its breathtaking views and unparalleled beauty, the Emirates Palace offers endless opportunities for memorable experiences and captivating photographs. At the Emirates Palace, luxury is not merely a concept. It's a way of life. From the moment you arrive, you're enveloped in the highest standards of service and hospitality, with a dedicated team of staff on hand to ensure that your every need is met with warmth and professionalism. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a corporate event, the Emirates Palace is committed to surpassing your expectations and creating memories that will endure for a lifetime. For over a decade, the Emirates Palace has set the standard for luxury hospitality in Abu Dhabi and beyond, earning a reputation as one of the world's most iconic hotels. With its timeless elegance, unparalleled amenities, and impeccable service, it's no wonder that guests return time and time to experience the magic of this legendary palace. Whether you're seeking an unforgettable escape or a once-in-a-lifetime celebration, the Emirates Palace promises a journey beyond compare, where every moment is infused with the spirit of Arabian hospitality and grace. As we conclude this journey into the realm of opulence and grandeur, one thing remains abundantly clear. The Emirates Palace is more than just a hotel. It's a testament to the enduring allure of luxury and the timeless beauty of Arabian hospitality. So, whether you're planning your next getaway or simply dreaming of distant shores, let the Emirates Palace be your guide to a world of indulgence and enchantment, where every moment is a celebration of the extraordinary. Remember, if you aspire to live a life of luxury, always pursue your dreams, strive for self-improvement, and never give up. You'll find a link to the hotel in our video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating insights into the world's most luxurious destinations.